What's going on, guys? Yo, Mud Photography here. Listen, it's been a long time. Should have left you without a dope beat. All right, you know what it is. But this is Mud Photography. It's been a long time since you guys seen me with a photography tutorial. So today, what we're doing was a business headshot. And I just wanted to show you guys that you don't need to have a big space to create imagery. What you really need is just creativity and understand what you're looking for. So let me just show you what I got. So right now I'm shooting on my Sony 6600 with a 16 millimeter 1.4. And what I have is this backdrop that I got off of Amazon. Probably show a picture of it, right? And this, so what happened is, the reason why this setup looks kind of different is because after we did the photo shoot, I also did a video for my client. But I will show you guys the behind the scene of what everything looked like. I had, again, this backdrop. This C-stand I use for behind this backdrop for hair light, right? And then I use this secondary C-stand for the main light, for which I use a 34 inch softbox with this bad boy here, with the flashpoint 8600. So this was used right above the client, as well as a small clamshell. Okay, clamshell with reflector. That's what it was. This space, so dirty stuff. But this space is not so big. When I turn around here, there's a set of stairs, but like you turn around, this is what I'm working with. And mind you guys, there's a small entrance to my apartment. Spoke to my landlord and he was like, yo, do what you gotta do. And please subscribe, follow, ask questions, interact. Hopefully you enjoy those images for business headshots. See you guys next time. Peace out. And if you've been on my page, you recognize this person because we did do a video before. However, this time is so different because there's so much has happened in between time. You guys can definitely check her out, but I'll let her let you know about what's cooking or what's been cooked for her this entire time. And I will certainly put her tag with her YouTube and her Instagram. So without further ado, one more time.
Hi everyone, my name is Gerlandy. I am the founder of a company called Herited. Herited is a company that is dedicated to empowering young Black children through early literacy tools that reflect their identities, specifically in relations to their hair. We have coloring games, books, puzzles, toys that truly honor children's identities and make learning engaging. Check our website at www.herited.com for more.
All right, yes, no problem. Anytime. So this was a beautiful business headshot photo shoot, and you guys will certainly see the results from the setting that we had here.
I am so excited to see what they come out looking like. Yes. I know they're going to be worthwhile. I know they're going to be great because, duh. If you are trying to have pictures taken,
all right, how about your boy?
That's it.
You already know what to do, okay? Do what you gotta do. Just do it. Until next time, stay blessed. Peace out. Hello again, guys. I decided last minute to add this voice over here. Big shout out to my boy Emmanuel for helping me set up the night before the shoot. I wanted to clarify that this video, guys, is for our complete beginners. People who may feel like they don't have the space, they don't have the budget to rent out big studio. I want to let you know that you may have more options than you think, right? This area that you're looking at right now is 7
feet and 11 inches by 15 feet. This space was not a huge space. However, I still use it to my advantage. Looked around, I set up and saw that it was going to work. So don't feel limited if you don't have the space. Whatever town you live in, some days go drive around. You may find a spot. Purchase exactly what you need to get the job done. And this is why it's very important for you to figure out the type of photography that you're doing, because when you figure that out, then you spend money specifically on what you need. In any case, I don't want to hold you guys too long. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget to visit herited.com. It's a very, very, very educational, innovative approach to teaching, especially for you parents who are homeschooling your children. Okay? Until then, be blessed. Next time.